Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the chocolate. Chill the mold for 10 to 20 minutes so the chocolate contracts slightly and releases more easily. Once chilled, set the mold on a towel and use a thin plastic scraper to edge run around cavities. This breaks any seal. Heat softens too fast, so prefer short bursts from a hair dryer held 6-8 inches away if necessary. By doing these first, you minimize breakage and keep the shapes crisp for the next steps. Once done with edge work, you apply gentle, controlled warmth to the back of the mold to relax the chocolate's grip. Pulse the hair dryer for 2-4 seconds in one spot and move along to avoid melting the face. Then invert the mold over parchment paper and tap the mold's edge with the palm to encourage release. Sharp tugs cause breaks. If a corner sticks, use a toothpick to lift from the seam slowly, which preserves shine and prevents fingerprinting on the chocolate. You finish by placing released chocolates on a cooling rack or parchment to reharden completely. This prevents warping and fingerprints. If you see fat bloom or dullness, retemper the affected pieces or briefly polish the surface with a warm metal spoon to restore gloss. If a piece cracks, warm its edge just enough to tack and press with a clean fingertip or spoon. Make sure to rechill afterward. One key troubleshooting tip: if many pieces stick repeatedly, lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.